Everyone. So today we are going to start our chapter 12, that is ratio and proportion. So first of all we will see what is ratio. If we compare two quantities using division, then it is called ratio, and it compares a quantity in terms of that how many times, and the symbol to represent the ratio is the double dot. So we can read as 4:3 or 4:3. Here the symbol means ratio only. This double dot means ratio. So we can say that it is 4:3 or 4:3. This is the way we can read it. Then the unit must be same to compare two quantities. Means if we want to compare two quantities with different units, then we need to convert them in the same unit. Then only we can then be compared using ratio. So ratio means if we are comparing like the weight of any two persons, one is of 40 kg, second is of 50 kg, both should be of same unit like kg. So we can find the ratio. If it is given that 40 gram and one is of 50 kilogram, you can see it is in gram and second one is in kilogram, so we cannot find the ratio. First of all, you have to change from kilogram to gram. After changing into same unit, you can find the ratio. Then the lowest form of the ratio. What is the lowest form? If there is no common factor of numerator and denominator except one, then it is known as the lowest form. Already we have learnt about lowest or simplest form in our previous chapter also, like in 6 and 7. So what is lowest form? In which if there is only one is the common factor of numerator and denominator. So that form is known as simplest form. Now I'll see the proportion. Proportion means if we say that two ratios are equal, then we can say that they are in proportion. If any two ratios are equal, means how many ratios are given? A ratio B and C by D can be written as C ratio D. If both are equal to each other, then we can say that they are in proportion, and we can write it as like this: A ratio B proportion. And what is the symbol of proportion? Proportion symbol is this 4 dot. This symbol means proportion. So A ratio B proportion C ratio D, or A ratio B is equal to C ratio D. And we can also read it as A is to B and C as C is to D. So what is proportion? If any two ratios are equal, then we can say that they are in proportion, and this is the symbol to denote the proportion, and two dots only for ratio, and ratio is for only comparing the same quantities. Now what are the different terms in proportion? You can see it is a proportion. This B and C, these two terms are known as mean terms. The middle terms are known as mean terms, and the outside term A and D, these are known as extreme terms. So you have to remember that the center, these two terms are known as means, and the outside A and D are known as extreme terms. If any two ratios are in proportion, अगर दो रेशियो proportion में हैं, then we can say that product of extreme is equal to product of means. Product means multiplication. So product of extreme means A multiplication D is equal to product of means. Which are the means term here? B and C are the mean term. So product of B and C means B into C. अगर दो रेशियो प्रोपोर्शन में रहते हैं या दो रेशियो एक दूसरे के इक्वल रहते हैं, तो हम क्या कह सकते हैं कि जो प्रोडक्ट होगा मीन टर्म का मल्टीप्लिकेशन, मीन टर्म का मल्टीप्लिकेशन एक्सट्रीम टर्म के मल्टीप्लिकेशन के बराबर होगा. सो यू हैव टू रिमेंबर दिस. यूजिंग दिस equation or using this concept, we will have to solve the questions of proportion. So the first and fourth term. So the first and the fourth term in the proportion are known as extreme terms, and the second and third, these two terms are known as middle or mean terms. If two ratios are not equal, then these are not in proportion. Proportion क्या होता है? अगर two ratios equal है. If any two ratios are not equal, then we can say that they are not in proportion. Now, using this, all the concept of ratio and proportion, we are going to start our exercise 12.1. First question is, find the ratio of the following. Ratio means division only. There are two types of how to find the ratio: by comparison by difference and comparison by division. So here we will find the ratio comparison by division. So how to find the ratio? it is given 32 meters, 72 meters. You can see both are in same unit, so we can write it as 32 upon 72. Now you have to take a number by which both numbers should be divisible. So if you take by 2 also, but directly we have taken 8. 8 4s are 32, 8 9s are 72. So what is the answer? 4 by 9. And one more thing you have to note that both number you have to divide by only one number only. अगर 32 8 से डिविजिबल है तो 72 भी 8 से डिविजिबल होगा, तभी हम 8 से डिवाइड करेंगे, अदरवाइज वी विल टेक द डिफरेंट नंबर. So you have to take the same number by which both the numerator and denominator should be divisible. So 8 4s are 32, 8 9s are 72. So 4 by 9, and 4 by 9 can be written as 4:9. So this is the ratio of 32 meters to 72 meters. The next one, 98 to 63. It is given without unit, so write 98 upon 63, by which we can divide 98 and 63 by 7. So divide 98 by 7. 7 ones are 7. Yeah, 28. 7 4s are 28. Denominator is 0. It means 14 times. So write here 14. 7 9s are 63. So 14 by 9. Now you can see it is not divisible by any table. So 14:9. Same you have to solve third one. Then fourth one, 55 paise to rupees 1. You can see it is given in paise and it is in rupees 1. So first of all we change into same unit. So we know that rupees 1 is equal to how many paise? 100 paise. So we can write 55 paise upon 100 paise. 55 paise upon 100 paise. Now you can see both are in same unit, so we can cancel the unit. So 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5, 5 2s are 10, 20 times 100. You can divide 55 and 100 by 5. So 5 11s are 55, 5 20s are 100. So 11:20. Same question number 5th also. One is given in liter, second in milliliter. So first of all change into milliliter. After changing into milliliter, we'll find the ratio. So rest of these questions are your homework. First of all you have to change into same unit. After that you have to find the ratio. Then question number 2. Out of the 72 students in a section of class 5th, 28 are girls and remaining are boys. Find the ratio of. Here we have to find the ratio of total number of boys to that of girls, then girls to the total number of students, and boys to the total number of students. 3 questions are given. So first of all see how many students are given? 72 students. So total number of students 72. 28 are girls. So number of girls 28. अगर टोटल 72 है उसमें से 28 गर्ल्स है तो बॉयज़ कितने होंगे? हाउ कैन यू फाइंड बॉयज़? टोटल माइनस नंबर ऑफ गर्ल्स. सो 72 minus 28 which is equal to 44. It means out of 72, 28 are girls and 44 are boys. So first question is you have to find the ratio of boys to that of girls. हमें किसके बीच में रेशियो निकालना है? बॉयज़ का गर्ल्स के साथ. सो रेशियो राइट नंबर ऑफ बॉयज़ अपॉन नंबर ऑफ girls. How many boys are there? 44. So write here 44. Girls are 28. So write here 28. 44 by 28. Now you can see both are divisible by 4. 4 ones are 4. 4 ones are 4. If you do not know how to divide here directly, divide का मतलब यहाँ पर क्या होता है? हमें 44 को 4 से divide करना है. By using this method also you can divide. 4 ones are 4. Then again 4 ones are 4. It means 11. So write here 11. Then how many times 78 comes? 7 times. So 4 7s are 28. So 11:7. So what is the ratio between boys and girls? It means out of 18 parts, that 11 are boys and 7 are girls. Then girls to the total number of students. So girls to total number of students. So write here number of girls upon total number of students. Number of girls are 28. Total students are 72. Again you can see 72 and 28 as both are even number. First of all you can divide by 2 also, but we have taken the largest number, that 4. 4 7s are 28 and divide 72 by 4. So it will come 18 times. So write here 18. So 7:18. The next one, boys to the total number of students. Here boys is given and here total number of students. Boys and total number of students. So write here number of boys upon total number of students. So boys are 44, number of students are 72. So 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4, means if you divide 44 by 4, you get 11, and 72 will come 18 times, so 11:18. Nothing you have to do, you have to find write according to the given question. If boys to the total number of student, it means boys upon total number of student. You have to find the ratio. Then see the next question, question number 3. In a college, out of 4,320 students, 2,300 are girls. Find the ratio of, like this only. It is same as question number 2, only you have to find, first of all, find the number of boys, and after that you can find the ratio. Then question number 4. The price of sugar increased from rupees 15 to rupees 16 per kg. Find the ratio of the increased price to the original price. So original price and increased price. What is the price of sugar increased from rupees 15 to rupees 16 per kg. मतलब पहले प्राइस कितना था 15, उससे कितना बढ़ गया 16 per kg, means original price, the first price was rupees 15, and what was the increased price, जो बढ़ने के बाद कितना हो गया रुपीज 16. So how we have to find the ratio of increase to original price. So first of all, here increased is given, so write here increased price upon original price. Increased price is 16 and original price is 15, so write here 16 by 15 or 16:15. Nothing you have to do, only you have to identify which is the original and increased price. Same question number 5th also, it's same as 4th one, so you have to solve this. Now question number 6, and you can see that all from all the exercise I have mixed up all the questions which are important for you. So we have taken some of the questions from all the exercise like 10.1, 10.2, 12.3. Now we have taken from 12.2, which is in proportion. So are the following numbers are in proportion? And we know that, what do we mean by proportion? Proportion means if any two ratios are equal. So by which we have to take, if product of means, if product of extreme term is equal to, which are the extreme terms? First and fourth terms are extreme terms, means AD. If AD is equal to B multiplication C, then we can say that they are in proportion. So you can see how many terms are given, 5, 6, 20, 18. Product of extreme. Extreme means outside terms, first and fourth term. So multiply 5 into 4, 18, 90. Product of means second and fourth term, 6 multiply 20. Now compare both this. अब दोनों को compare करना है. So 5 multiply 18 and 6 90 is not equal to 120. It means 5 multiply 18 is not equal to 6 multiply 20. Both are not equal, so they are not in proportion. अगर दोनों बराबर रहते तो हम कह सकते थे कि proportion में, otherwise they are not equal. See second one, 30, 45, 16, 24. These are the given number. Product of extreme. Extreme means first and fourth term. 30 multiply 24, 720. Product of means second and third term. 45 multiply 16, 720. Now you can see both are equal. It means hence 30, 45, 16 and 24, they are in proportion. Proportion means their ratios are equal. Same you have to solve the remaining questions. Then see the question number 7. Find the number for the box if the following numbers are in proportion. Here in this question क्या दिया है कि हमें ये जो बॉक्स दिया है, ब्लैंक बॉक्स, हमें वहाँ पर फाइंड करना नंबर, एंड ऑलरेडी दे हैव गिवन दैट दे आर इन प्रोपोर्शन. उन्होंने कहा कि दे जो नंबर है वो प्रोपोर्शन में है. इसका मतलब जो प्रोडक्ट ऑफ मिडल टर्म्स होगा वो प्रोडक्ट ऑफ एक्सटेंड टर्म्स के बराबर होगा, बिकॉज दे आर ऑलरेडी इन प्रोपोर्शन. सो वी नो दैट 4 numbers are in proportion if product of middle terms is equal to product of extreme terms. So first of all you have to identify the middle terms. Middle terms are 20 in this box, so 20 multiply this box, you have to write equal to product of extreme. Extreme means 15 into 36. Now solve this, as 20 is given in multiplication, so in right hand side it will be changed into divide. Now 15 multiply 36 upon 20. Here you can see any of the two number you can take. So we have taken any of the two numbers you can take, so that which are divisible by any number, like 20 and 36. 4 5s are 20, then 4 9s are 36. After this you can say 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15. Here 5 will come. So it means it will be 9 3s are 27. So in this blank space, what will come? 27 will come. Like this you have to solve. Or if you do not know how to cut it directly, first of all you have to multiply 15 into 36. After multiplying you have to divide by 20. But simple method is that take any of the two number which is divisible by the same number. हमें कैसे दो नंबर को लेना है न्यूमरेटर डिनोमिनेटर में जो किसी एक ही टेबल से डिवाइड हो सकते हो, जैसे कि 4 9 26, 4 5 20. Now you can see 15 and 5 both are divisible. 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15. So means 9 3s are 27. Same second one, we know that again they are in proportion. So first of all we can write that product of middle terms is equal to product of extreme terms. Middle terms are, which are the middle terms? 20 and 27. So 20 multiply 27 is equal to this bracket into 36. Again you can see 36 and multiplication here it will change into divide. Now if you take this 4 5s are 20, 4 9s are 36, then 27 upon 9 is left. 9 1s are 9, 9 3s are 27. So the remaining numbers are 5 multiply 3. How we have done? 20 multiply 27 upon 36. 9 3s are 27, 9 4s are 36. Then 4 1s are 4, 4 5s are 20. So remaining numbers क्या बचा यहाँ पर? 5 into 3. So 5 3s are 15 is the answer. Then solve this question number 3rd and 4th. After this, question number 8. If the cost of 6 cans of juice is rupees 210, then what will be the cost of 4 cans of juice? Here in this question we will apply that unitary method. Unitary method means first of all we'll find for only one cane. After finding for one cane, so first of all we'll find for only one article. Means for one article, and after that we'll multiply by the given number of articles. So first of all you can see if the cost of 6 cans of juice is rupees 210, so write cost of 6 cans of juice rupees 210, and we have to find for how many cans? 4 cans. So for that first of all we'll find for only one. हम पहले 6 के पहले 4 से find करने के लिए पहले हम 1 का निकालेंगे. So we can see after 6 we have to find for only one article. It means we will divide. As I already discussed about that, if you want to find from many to one, we will always divide, and for one to many we will multiply. Let us understand by one example. If cost of one chocolate is rupees 5, then what will be the cost of 5 chocolate? We know that we'll multiply only. 5 5s are 25. So you can see if you want to find for one to many, we will always multiply. And if it is given that if cost of 5 chocolate is rupees 25, अगर 5 chocolate 25 की है तो एक chocolate कितने की होगी? So what we'll do? We'll divide, means 25 by 5. So if you want to find from many to one, we'll always divide. अगर हमें many to one find करना है तो divide करेंगे, और one to many multiplication. So you can see it is given for 6 and we have to find for only one. So first of all we'll divide 210 by 6. If you divide 210 by 6 you will get rupees 35, means the cost of only one can of juice is rupees 35. Now after one we have to find for how many cans? 4 cans. Again one too many, so we'll multiply by 4. So 35 into 4 rupees 140 will be the cost of 4 cans of juice. So in this type of question first of all we will apply the unitary method, means we will find for only the cost of one article. After that we'll find the cost of the given number of articles. Then question number 9. A motorbike travels 220 km in 5 liters of petrol. How much distance will it cover in 1.5 liters of petrol? As it is given for 5 liter, how much? 220. So first of all you have to find for only 1 liter. 1 liter के लिए find करना है, it means we will divide. After finding for 1 liter you have to find for 1.5. जो आंसर आएगा उसको 1.5 लीटर से क्या करना है? मल्टीप्लाई करना है. It's same as question number 8 only. Then see the one question number 10. If the cost of a dozen soap is rupees 153.60, what will be the cost of 15 such soaps? Dozen. What do you mean by dozen? Dozen means 12. So the cost of 12 soaps is given how much? Rupees 153.60. So first of all we'll find for how many? Only one. It means we will divide here. So divide 12 by 153.60, it will be rupees 12.8. After finding, we will find for how many rupees? For 15. So we'll multiply 12.8 into 15, which is equal to rupees 192. So this, all these questions are easy only. The last question of our chapter, that took the answer rupees 15,509 in 10 days. How much she will earn in 30 days? As it is given for 10 days. 10 days it is how much? 1509. तो पहले हम एक के लिए निकालेंगे. So first of all we'll divide. After that we'll multiply by 30. So that will be the answer. So I hope you all have understood about the ratio and proportion. That what do you mean by ratio? Ratio means comparing any two numbers with same quantity, and proportion means if any two ratios are equal, then they are said to be in proportion, otherwise not in proportion. So I hope you all have understood all the things clearly. So we have completed our chapter. We'll see the next chapter on the next chapter.